Hello. In this demonstration, I will provide an overview of users and roles in the TotalFlow Print Server. Roles are fully customizable to all customers to limit access to certain actions on the DFE. As an example, pretend a customer wants to prevent third shift operators from performing certain tasks. To do this, they can define a role and remove access for just that role. Let's take a look at this example and define that third shift role. Before I do that, notice all of the actions that I can perform on a job. I can edit them, delete them, and I can submit jobs. When I go to configuration, I can see papers, calibration, virtual printers, etc. When we define the new role, some of these items will disappear. To set up a new role, go to Security, Users and Roles, and click the Add button. Give it the desired name and the base access rights. In this case, we'll leave it as an operator. After it's been created, you can edit that role to remove capability. Expand the twisty for the jobs area and unselect the items you do not want this role to be able to perform. For example, delete jobs, edit job properties, or submit jobs. You can also expand the configuration twisty. In this case, we will remove the ability for an operator to add paper or to add virtual printers, and press OK. Once this role has been defined, we can add a user. We'll call this third shift and select the role name in the right side. I'm not going to enter a password, but you could enter an optional password for this user. Press OK. So let's go back to the job screen for a second, and I am going to log out of the system and then log back in as that new third shift operator. On the job screen, notice that the delete job is now gone. Notice that the submit job is now gone, and some of the other actions we removed. The operator can still run the printer, they can print jobs and hold them, but they cannot do the actions that we removed when we created that role. In configuration, notice that the paper options are gone, and the entire workflow menu to create virtual printers is now gone. You can control the various levels of action available to each operator by defining a set of different roles as desired. This concludes our demonstration of users and roles. I hope it was helpful. Thank you.